The party did not force any member of the party to go the consensus way, as it has been reported. This booklet here, the Handbook for Party Grassroots Elections, which was adopted by the National Executive Committee of the party in 2021. Methods of conducting elections. Election through consensus building, that is number one. Consensus shall include harmonization of current offices through the filling of vacant positions, provided that this shall be the electoral method that members of the party in the applicable county will have agreed upon. In this case, members sat down as provided for in this booklet and agreed that they will either go the consensus way, or number two, voting by members or delegates by show of hands or mulolongo. It is here in black and white. It is not anyone being forced to do it, neither